Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In today's tutorial, I would like to teach you how to fix this open and close end zipper. Here is the fabric I'm fixing it on, the top. The peplum top I'm fixing it on. So here is the zipper that I'm using, which is open and end zipper. So open and close end zipper. So I will now place, here is where I'm fixing it. Here is my zipper allowance. So I have 1 inch zipper allowance here for my zipper. 1.5 inch zipper allowance for my zipper. So let me first of all measure it out for you to understand what I'm doing. I'm measuring my zipper allowance out because I'm fixing my zipper on that marking. Here is it now. I've marked it out. Here's the line. I hope you can see it very well. Here's the line that I'm fixing the zipper on. So I will now open it up like this. Here is the right side of the zipper and here is the wrong side of it. I will now open it up like this and place the right side on it, on the right side of the fabric like this, on the line I marked. So I'll place it on it like this. To do the same thing on the second side of it, let me go and stitch on it. But when I get to the bottom, on this first side I'm attaching the zipper on, I'm going to open it up for me to stitch it very well. I'll just stitch it. I'm going to stitch on the zipper from the up here down to the bottom of the top. So I'm done with this side. To complete the other side, I'll just fix the zip back again and make sure I place it like this. I'll let the right side of the zipper face the right side of this other side too. Here is where my zipper allowance is. I'll just fold it like this or let the right side face each other. Make sure you place it, let it align on each other very well to make your job neat, please. So I'll now go ahead and stitch on the zipper to complete fixing of my zipper. So when I finish, now I'm done with it. Here is it. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So I'll now go ahead and finish up the neckline here. So I'll just open the zipper like this. I'll open it up like this. Let me open it for you to see how it looks like. So here is it. So I'll just open it up like this. To finish the neckline, I'll just open it up like this. This is the right side of the top. I'll just fold the zipper in on the wrong side. I'll fold it like this and stitch it, stop stitch it here on the right side. I'm going to do the same thing on the second side of the neckline. So when I finish that, I'll now use my hand needle to finish up the bottom of the zipper here because I want it to be neat very well. So when I finish all that, I'll come and show you. Now I'm done with it. I've finished it up. As you can see, here's it. So on the bottom too, I top stitch on it on the right side here. I did not use hand needle for it again. Make sure you always trim all the excess thread and fabric to make your job neat. The excess inside here, the excess on the peplum here, you just fold it in on the wrong side of it and make sure you top stitch on the right side so to make it firm. So let me now zip it. Let me zip it up for you to see how beautiful it is. As you can see, here is it. This is the finishing look of it. I'll now iron it very well. So guys, this is where I'm stopping for today. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. you can leave a comment down below and join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay blessed. Bye bye.